Balance in Forex refers to the amount of money you have in your trading account. It's important to remember that your balance doesn't include any profits or losses you might have from any open positions. If you have open positions, your balance might change depending on the losses or gains you've made. Once the trade is closed, the balance amount is displayed in the terminal window under the Trade tab on your M4C client terminal. If you're using the MT5 trading platform, then the balance is located in the toolbox under the TRATAR. Now, you may be wondering what is the difference between your balance and your equity. Look out for my next video, which will be explaining equity.
Please like and subscribe.